Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs. Welcome to Mavenza TV. It's the CAF Champions League. Mamelodi Sundowns 5, Remo Stars 1. I'm joined by Mutau from Temu.
Sure, Steve.
Sure.
I'm not laughing at Ashley Dupree, Steve. I'm only laughing because we won 5-1 today.
Yeah.
I mean, even a blind person was going to score that goal.
Yeah, Ashley.
Yeah, he proved that that team is Ulam Tutu FC Kanile.
Can't you hear?
Just imagine, man. Imagine.
Open net.
No goalkeeper
Nothing.
above the net.
That's a try.
Yeah. Steve, while Orlando Pirates, they were busy, ne? They were busy celebrating, going to USA.
Yeah.
That team in Congo were busy practicing.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why Baba Shapile 3-0, Steve.
Never celebrate la bavana bavana.
Yeah, I get about Bafana ke Orlando Pirates. Yeah, so they were busy celebrating that we are going to World Cup. Khani, that team is busy gaining the momentum. They're busy combining
Oh,
themselves.
Master Chef.
Yeah, Wobule, but yeah, we are going to America. Ba busy Baba Fadi Caselaga, Kamona. Eba fitla kwa batshwere ke Bapalasi. That's why they were not even televised. Why? Sundowns is a serious team.
Yes,
Steve.
yes, definitely.
Yeah, that's why we were only team which was being televised today.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not a matter of network or a connection of what. No.
Yeah.
It's a sign that it's Sundowns. It's
the
a big
biggest.
team. Yeah. This
Yeah.
badge, ne, like you must wear it with a pride. Steve.
Yeah. It's
Yeah,
big.
ke team e kgolo.
Very big.
Yeah, even Lerina, we were not just so excited about going USA. I get really dark Club World Cup.
Oh.
Yeah, so my parents are never busy. Busy, but
Baikabuga.
next year July.
Baikabuga.
Yeah, rena re tla da. So that's why we win today, and then we won because we are just motivational.
That's right.
We were being motivational. I get here dlala CAF.
Yeah.
We are playing for the whole country.
Yes.
Yeah, so today we were motivating Orlando Pirates and Kaizer Chiefs.
Yeah.
Yeah, that how it's done in CAF.
Setting an example.
Yeah, we were supposed to beat that team maybe 2-0.
Yeah.
But that 5-1, it was just an example that you are supposed to beat this team this way.
Making a statement.
Le Pirates, we are trying to show them that next weekend, second leg,
Yeah.
ne, there is a chance you can come back.
Yeah.
If we manage to score 5 goals,
Yeah.
that side,
Yeah.
you can come back and score more than 3, and then 4-3 you go through.
You advance.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what I can say, Steve, like Cardoso,
Yeah.
the guy, man, like the guy. I don't know. I mean, I'm stuck in between now.
Cayenne.
Yeah, because I think the guy only experiences a cave.
That's true.
Yeah, he took us through the finals last season.
That's true.
And then now we win 5-1.
Fact.
Yes, we can say that team is on number what. No, man. It's 11 against 11. Yeah. There is no way that the team is so weak or something. No. Yeah, that team only qualified for CAF Champions League for a reason. Yeah.
Hello. Sorry, we are still busy with interview here, but thank you very much if you arrive safe, eh? Okay, bye. Neki Chiefs very balendile ko ephoto ba tsamaile.
Se ba fihlile.
Yeah, so ra ba le buise.
Se ba founela la ba fihla tjena
Ke
tjena.
ro re ke nna London.
Manje.
Wa bona.
Tjena nka no sa iphetula.
Ne ke phetotse. Hello, yeah, ke le utlwile. I was saying to you, we are busy interviews here, but I'll call you shortly. But thank you very much. Ra le boefele tsamaile pila ne. Thank you. You never considered anything.
O ya o re thambo no.
Shows Tibo.
Le machaka.
Shows Tibo. That's what I was saying, ne? Kaizer Chiefs supporters, they are more serious than players.
Yeah.
Yeah, Omutla is quite high.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's too deep.
Yeah.
Mara, the players, they're playing like Ulam Tutu straight.
Le Ox.
Even Ox is the only serious player in Kaizer Chiefs.
Yeah.
But let's talk about strikers. Ashley Dupreez.
Hey, man.
Like-
Shashakeza.
Like in CAF, ne, you are there to represent a country, but Kaizer Chiefs is there for opposite reason.
What's the reason?
I don't know, to make South African football to look like it's a regular or what, I don't know.
They are there to
Average, I don't know.
Yeah.
Yeah, but Steve, anyway, focusing to the game, ne, I want to wrap up, ne.
Yeah.
Like Allende, he must rest, man.
Alo dula fatshe.
Yeah, the guy, man, we still need him in future. Ne? Like, we still need him in future, so they must rest him. They must find... The way Cardoso is rotating the back line, at least Azamo rotator, the defending midfield there, Kutise, Allende, even Mokoena, he was playing on the squad and then he came back. So Azamo Krea... But you can't rest them in serious games. Yeah, here Khopana Libo Kaizer Chiefs, he must rest them and Alokele Bashimane Balongore, they are staying on the bench. Sure, Steve.
Man, let me respond this guy. Ne? No, talk advice. Yeah, talk advice. No, I mean,
But I'm telling the truth.
okay, it's fine.
Let's wrap it now,
No,
Steve.
you can't make joke with this. Steve, no, beside your age, the sentence, we are Kaizer Chiefs players, they are not serious.
Yeah.
The supporter di serious go feta di player. You know, in short, ne, just imagine all the player o shiane 90 minutes. Ba o botsa gore a o serious. You bolaya moral. Grootman, let's bound about us fans and result, but let us not bound about the players. But look at what happened about Mfundo Vilakazi. Everyman, Mduduzi Chabalala. Kaba Fana Bafana. Look at what happened to Dupree. Dupree really. Do you think I can social media no mental overshap?
Ask again.
Abi sharp. So
It's for the love of the game, guys. Yeah.
Let's limit ourselves.
It's for the love of the game.
Dupree, best player, they were professional player.
They were there to fetch pain.
Oh, genius.
We were there to collect 3 points. They were there to fetch pain.
This team, Sundowns Pirates, they will blank you. Oscar Bonaparte. We don't blame him.